दोस्तों, few days back our country witnessed one of the most horrific train accidents which occurred in Odisha, and since the tragedy, help has been pouring in from all over the country. And in one of the major announcements, former Indian batsman Virender Sehwag has said that he will ensure that all the children of all the victims get free education at his own Sehwag International School. Apart from this, Adani Group chairman Mr. Gautam Adani has said that Adani Group will take responsibility of all the children of all the victims, and the group will ensure that all these children get free education and all other benefits required to sustain a normal life. And since this tragedy has happened, you must have heard about the Kavach system, which is also known as the automatic train protection system. So in March 2023, the Railway Ministry had announced the plans of implementing this system across all the trains in our country. And how this works is that the Kavach system will comprise of electromagnetic devices which will be installed on railway tracks, railway trains, railway stations, and also on railway signaling systems. And these installed devices will communicate to each other, and these devices will alert the locomotive pilot in case of any adverse weather conditions such as fog or rain. And if there is any other train on the same line, then also it will alert the locomotive pilot about the impending danger. And if required, it will also automatically apply the brakes to avoid the collision.
वो ट्रेन एक ही ट्रैक पे अगर आमने सामने आ रही हो, हेड ऑन कोलिजन की संभावना हो, एक सेफ डिस्टेंस पे अपने आप कवच उसे रोक लेगा। दो ट्रेन्स अगर एक के पीछे एक जा रही हो तो पीछे वाली ट्रेन को कवच अपने आप एक सेफ डिस्टेंस पे रोक लेगा।
And if you're really wondering whether this system will work or not, well, then the Railway Ministry has been carrying out experiments and testing of this system. And in one of the most remarkable experiment which happened in March 2022, then in one locomotive, Railway Minister Ashwini was traveling, and on the same line another locomotive was coming in opposite direction with the railway CEO on board. And since Kavach system was implemented in both these locomotives, and since this system was implemented in both of these locomotives, when these locomotives came into a certain distance range, then the Kavach system actually got implemented and automatic brakes were applied, preventing the collision. But also apart from this, a Railway Ministry report says that as of now the ministry wants to start the implementation of the Kavach system only on high intensity routes such as Delhi, Howrah and Delhi, Mumbai. And once it gathers sufficient amount of experience, then only it will move to low intensity routes.
इस वर्ष 2000 किलोमीटर पर कवच का इंस्टॉलेशन करेंगे और आगामी वर्षों में हर वर्ष 4 से 5000 किलोमीटर का टारगेट लेंगे। और साथ ही साथ ये टेक्नोलॉजी इतनी अच्छी है कि आत्मनिर्भर भारत की इस मिसाल को, कवच को दुनिया के विकसित देशों में भी एक्सपोर्ट किया जाएगा।
But until then, we do hope that the country does not see any other disastrous train accident and we do not lose any other life. So stay tuned. Namaste ji, and please subscribe.